Hey everybody, Jen here with the Sunshine Fashion Love channel, and I gotta tell you about a great promotion from now until the end of the month. Zoomoni is a terrific brand of bag organizers. They're all handmade in South Korea out of premium materials, and normally if you use my code Sunshine Fashion Love, you get 20% off of your order, but they decided to do a really fantastic holiday sale. So if you use my special code, this is limited, Sunshine Fashion Love 2025, from now until the end of November 2025, you can get 30% off of your order. So instead of the normal 20%, 30%, you will also get free shipping if you make an order of $200 or more in US dollars. So after all the promotions are applied, you have to use my code at checkout. If you order more than $200, you will also get free shipping. So that's quite a good savings. And also just know that if you are a United States customer, the import duties are all included, so you won't get any surprises. I love my Zoomoni organizers. Quick disclaimer, I am an affiliate, but I'm also a really big fan. I like the quality. You can get all kinds of different customizations. There's different materials, so you can get either the felt or this silky satin, different thicknesses, 1.2 millimeters or 2 millimeters. And I find these silky organizers are great for the bigger slouchier bags. Zoomoni also sells other organizational products like these really cute cubes and pouches for smaller items, all sorts of different colors. And they have hundreds and hundreds of models of bags that you can get organizers for, but you can also get them custom made if you have a bag that they don't already have an organizer model for. You can just send them the dimensions. Great quality. This is for my delightful PM, the old model. This is for a Prada pouch, and this is the color Seafoam. I believe it's Seafoam green. And then this one is pink. Also, they're going to be launching 4 new colors of these silky satin organizers. I think the quality of these are really, really nice. They offer enough stability, but not too much that it's really stiff. The felt organizers, these are more structured. This is the 2 millimeter, great materials. And I have to say, all of the organizers I have from Zoomoni fit the bags perfectly, absolutely perfect. So if you've been wanting to give Zoomoni a try, or you need to pick up some new organizers because you added some stuff to your bag collection, now is a great time. Use my code Sunshine Fashion Love 2025 and you can save 30% off your order and get free shipping if you order $200 or more. But I think this is a wonderful holiday promotion, so check it out. I am an affiliate, but I do really genuinely like the products. I think the quality is great, and they have so many different colors and different customizations that you can really get something that fits your needs. Just wanted to put this on your radar for holiday shopping. These also make great gifts, stocking stuffers if you have a bag lover in your life and you're not sure what to get them. These protect the insides of your bags, offer structure to some models that might need a little bit of help. In my opinion, bag organizers are a must-have accessory. Also, follow me everywhere, Sunshine Fashion Love, where I will be keeping you posted on all of the great deals and promotions I'm seeing for the holiday season.